Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use EcoBubble technology. This innovative system works by premixing your detergent with water and air, generating a rich, soapy foam. This foam then enters the drum, allowing the detergent to penetrate fabrics much faster and more effectively than traditional washing methods. It's a smart way to get your clothes thoroughly clean right from the start of the cycle. The benefits of EcoBubble technology are truly impressive. You can achieve excellent cleaning results even when washing in cold water, as low as 15 degrees Celsius, which can save you up to 70% on energy costs. The gentle bubble action is also kinder to your clothes, helping to preserve delicate fabrics and reduce wear over time. Plus, it ensures your detergent dissolves completely, leaving no residue behind. To get the most out of your EcoBubble washing machine, simply select the dedicated EcoBubble cycle on your control panel. For those tough stains, consider adding the bubble soak option, which provides an extra 30 minutes of soaking power. For optimal performance, especially in colder washes, liquid detergent is recommended. Remember to avoid overloading your machine to allow the bubbles to circulate freely and clean effectively. Maintaining your EcoBubble washing machine ensures its longevity and continued performance. Run the EcoDrum clean cycle approximately every 40 washes to keep the drum fresh and free of residue. Make it a habit to clean your detergent drawer monthly to prevent any buildup. Also, check and clean the debris filter about 5 or 6 times a year. Finally, always leave the door slightly ajar for 15 to 20 minutes after a wash to allow air to circulate and prevent moisture buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.